Good morning. Today is Tuesday, April 1st, 2025. I'm here at Port 32 Marina, and I am in the middle of cleaning Makana. You had a question about your prop. You had concerns about there being a lot of barnacles on it because it was giving you a type of sound. And after investigating that, it sounds like your cutlass bearing is going out. Now I'm going to go down there and I'm going to twist the prop, and at first it's going to sound like the prop is loose or there's a lot of play in the prop, but then I'm going to lift up and down and left and right on the prop nut itself and the shaft, and that's when you still get that noise. So let's go ahead and go down there. It is kind of muddy, so I'm going to try and do this when we can actually see something. I'm going to go ahead and finish up cleaning it, and then I'll get an after video of the cleaning.